I hear with coach of the St. Catherine High School team. First of all, coach, first question. Does this feel like a point, 1 or 2 points lost?
2 points lost. We should have got ahead very early to ease the chances, a penalty, and we miss, and then we get a 1-on-1 and we kick wide with the keeper and play alone, you know. But and then Mona get and then miss, you know, and then get the go-ahead goal, and we come back and get one and jar the game. But I'm disappointed. The performance is very flat, very flat to the last game that we played against Stats.
All right, coach, coming off the back of 2 consecutive losses against this Mona team, you know, what was you and your team's mentality coming into today's match?
We spoke at length. We said we can get 3 points. The 2 games that we lost against Mona is nothing that we worry about. As there's just any hard defeat and tough one, we make some mistake and give away the game. And we create a lot of chances every time we play against Mona, but we just not finishing.
And coming off of a loss to Stats, you know, how did you feel coming from that game, and how did you think your team performed in that Stats game, real quick?
It was thumbs up performance, a very end-to-end action. I don't want to talk about that game. If we play half like that today, we would have won the game easy.
All right, so coach, that means going into the final game of the group against Kingston College. You know, do you think you guys have put yourself in a position to then win that? And what do you think a win there will do for your chances to advance to the second round?
Well, and we just have to do our work. We just have to try and get 3 points and nothing less. You know, with nothing less.
All right, coach. Good game and good luck next time.
Yeah, man. Thanks.